Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Peter and I'm so excited to have you here. So in this short video, I will be talking about exchange coin you need to have in your portfolio, exchange token you need to have in your portfolio. I know I did a video talking about Binance coin, Trust Wallet coin, Trust Wallet token, and SafePower. Now in this one, I'm going to talk about Binance coin. I'm going to talk about the Houbi token. I'm also going to talk about the FTX token as well. So I'm going to talk about the fundamentals, why they are important, their deflatory method, and then we're going to look at their chart to see the technical playouts of the price action. So before we get into it, let me quickly say that if you have not subscribed to this channel, if this is your first time of coming across my video, you are welcome. I'm excited to have you. I appreciate you. Kindly click on the like button and also click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can get alerted when new videos drop. So I'm so excited to have you around. Please subscribe. I would love to see you and I would love to see more of you and I would love to hear from you. So if you have subscribed, kindly drop a comment for me in the comment section. I have a gift for you. Now you never can tell what that gift is gonna be, but just kindly subscribe. Drop a comment if you have subscribed. Just tell me I have subscribed to this channel, and then I will get back to you. You will hear from me. I have a gift for you, and especially if you are from Africa, if you're an African, please drop a comment. I have a gift for you. So that's it. Let's get into the work of the day. So in this video, like I said, I'll be talking about 3 exchange token you need to be holding in your portfolio, and we are also going to look at the right time to buy them, considering the recent dip in the market. So let's start with the Binance coin. The Binance coin is the largest in the market, needs no introduction, is the biggest boy in this category. Now let me start by letting you know that over 90% of Binance employee receive their salary in BNB. So we are looking at what makes BNB valuable, and you know, this exchange coin are attached to the exchange itself, and then they have to have important use cases for them to be valuable. So 90% of Binance employee are paid in BNB. Now traders that use Binance exchange platform, get 25% off their trading fee when they pay with BNB. So even though this has a diminishing clause to it, meaning that this 25% will keep diminishing, reducing until July 2022, when there won't be any discount on fee using BNB anymore. BNB is one of the cryptos supported by Binance Card. I'm sure you know about Binance Card, but if you don't, just Google it. You see there's a lot of amazing stuff coming up for that. And also there's an upcoming Binance Pay, just like Amazon Pay, just like, you know, every other pay we have around. But this has been said to be the crypto-based PayPal rival. It's going to rival PayPal in the market, meaning that you're going to be able to pay with your crypto and probably with your fiat. So Binance coin is also part of the coin that is going to be supported by Binance Pay. So BNB is currently used in booking flight, that is utility, booking flight hotel with few merchants. BNB is used for fee also on the Binance Smart Chain. You know, Binance Smart Chain is one of the major reasons why we have a huge surge in the price of Binance coin in the last few days and few weeks now. And the Binance coin is also, you know, the center of the Binance DeFi ecosystem. There's only one reservation I have about BNB, which is currently two, basically. One, I've been trying to research how their burning is done, but then somehow there's been some level of uncertainty, not too much of clarity as regards how their token bonds and all of that. So if you have a clear document about how their token is transparently burned. Now let me know. I really appreciate that. Now the second thing I have is the fact that the only edge that the Binance chain have over Ethereum is just the fee. Everybody has been complaining about the Ethereum fee, and then the only edge anybody wants to talk about, especially Binance chain, Binance Smart Chain, is the fee. So what happens when Ethereum launch what they are going to launch soonest, and the fee is taken care of? What's going to be the hedge of the Binance coin? So I'm just asking. So if you have a solution to that, please drop it in the comment section. The next one I'll be looking into is the Houbi Token. Now, this is the second largest centralized exchange by trading volume. Now, this was founded in China in 2013. Now, and we need to know that Houbi Group is a publicly traded company on Hong Kong Stock Exchange. So it's a big organization, it's a group. Now, holding Houbi Token in your wallet can give you up to 65% discount on fee when trading on their exchange. So Houbi Token is also used to pay for services utility with few merchants. Now Houbi Token lets you vote as against the BNB that is not used for governance. Houbi Token lets you vote on future decisions about the exchange. So it's used for governance. Now there's an upcoming Houbi chain there's an upcoming Houbi chain that is a project coming up, and then they've said that it's going to be regulatory compliant. So I mean, talking about the regulation of China. So and then it's going to use KYC. So this is going to open up China to the DeFi ecosystem and all of that, which they've been dying to have. So this is it. Now there are two sides to that. DeFi, now having KYC and all of that, it's okay. It's going to open a new hungry market for the DeFi ecosystem. So now the Houbi Houbi chairman has a close relationship with the people in power, politics, and all of that. And now we must say that has helped. But then currently there's a lot going on because Houbi currently has issue with the China government. They are doing some, checking that, and then that is really telling on a lot of things in the news, and we don't know how long that is going to stay. That's going to stay before they resolve it. Even though there's a rumor that it has political undertone, we know something like that will always have political undertone, either true or not. It is always politically motivated. So I'm only just a little bit bothered if and how that's going to affect the performance of the group, the performance of the exchange, and then the performance of the token we are talking about. But then it's okay, and it's okay. So let's go to the next one, which is the FTX. That is, this is huge one for me. Now it's a crypto derivative exchange, future and options. Now this was incubated in 2019 by Alameda Research, founded by former Wall Street trader Sam Bankman-Fried. Now, FTX is registered in the Caribbean, Antigua and Barbuda. Is a fourth largest derivative exchange by trading volume, even though it features more than 7 times the amount of tradable assets than any other ones we have there. So some of the derivatives are unique. Okay, for example, now letting you trade stocks before they even launch IPOs. So isn't that awesome? Imagine you can trade SpaceX stocks without, they are not yet public. Imagine you can trade their stocks on FTX. Imagine you can currently trade Coinbase stocks that has not even been listed. That is awesome, right? So for example, now FTX listed BNB derivative contracts ahead of their IPO, and it did well. So holding FTX give you okay, at some point in the past, holding FTX gave holders some SRM airdrop, and might even give you more in the future. So in the closest future, so holding FTX give discount on trading fee up to like 60%, which is cool. Now one thing that is so outstanding for me about FTX is their aggressive buyback, their deflationary method. So 33 of all fee goes to weekly buyback and burn of the FTX token. So what are we talking about? Weekly burn, weekly. So if there's nothing happening, the fact that they are buying back and burning token is enough to shoot the price of this token higher. That's one, and that's a very good one. You agree with me? That's a very good one, right? So the next thing is 10% of net addition to the insurance fund, 5% of fee earned from other use of the FTX token. Now all of these are used for the buyback and burn. So now, so far so good, 10.1 million has been burned. I mean, this is a token that this is an exchange that just launched not too long ago, and they burned so this much. So we don't know what's gonna happen in the next future, but this coin is gonna shoot high. So if you're asking me which one do you think is the best out of these three, let me just say it point blank. I love FTX token, and in fact, not only me. Let me just tell you the next one. Now, do you know that Binance, bought a stake in FTX in 2019? If they are not valuable, Binance will not do that. Says will not do that. So now they bought a stake in, and then FTX also have the liquidity on Binance. Who does that? I mean, which other? How do you get another person's token on your own exchange? I mean, that is the only one I know that has liquidity on another. Exchange token are only used on their own exchange. So if it's not valuable, FTX is now on what? Another not just any other one, Binance. So that should tell you how awesome this token is and this exchange is. So now this is these are the three largest exchange token by market cap. So now let's get into the technicals and do that fast as possible. This is the FTT. This is the FTX token. Now, as we can see, the price is down from the all-time high, and it's down. It went down as low as 31%. Now, currently around 21%. So now, as we can see, price is bouncing back from this key level, and then still obeying this trend line. So it's a good time to buy, but remember price averaging just in case price comes down back to this level you want to buy again. But then if you're looking long term like I am, this is a good coin to be holding in your portfolio. So that's let's check the other ones. So the next one is Houbi Token. Now as you can see, that is also bouncing up from that key level, and let's see, the price went down 49%. That's awesome. That's huge discount on the market. I think it's even more. Let me measure again. So that's huge. That's very huge, and so by 48%, more than 40% actually. So, but price seems to have found a bottom, and it's going up. So it's a perfect time to buy. It's a really perfect time to buy Houbi Token if you want to buy Houbi Token. So let's look at the Binance coin, the BNB, the all sophisticated BNB. So BNB has retraced some 46% from its all-time high, and it seems to find a bottom on a key level there. So it's also a good time to buy BNB if you want to buy BNB. So the best of them all is FTX, but it's awesome to have as much as possible BNB, Houbi, and now these are not the only exchange coin that we have, but these are the most valuable according to my opinion. Please note that these are my opinion. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Now, do your research and before you invest your money. If you have watched this far, thank you so much for watching this far. My name is Peter. I'm so excited, and I value your time. So if this is your first time in this on this channel, please click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and drop a comment telling me you have subscribed. I have a gift for you. You never can tell what that is, especially if you are a newbie. I have a gift for you. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.